Hi, it's me, Carlo Jumalaya, and yes, siguro nakikita niyo na sa title eh. Wait lang medyo, tama ba? Is it, medyo 33? Tignan muna natin. I know this thing is gonna be, semi-edited, except lang sa, the fact na, talaga. Wait, it's Vlog 23, yes! And, I know it's been 6 years since apart lang sa paggawa ng tutorial about paano mag-install ng So, yeah. Bakit pa tayo mantong sa ganito? Well, actually, talaga it was a long story. I mean, yun nga. Naalala niyo ba to?
Meron tayong mga ordinary na sa 850.
800 what?
850.
850. Wala pa kayong mas mura?
AC with power supply.
Sayang. Or, eto.
Nakaintindi lang yung monitor na bibilihan ko guys kasi
So, yeah. I used to vlog doon sa Gilmore like nung matagal na, 6 years. Yeah, it's been 6 years and yeah, talaga ako, customer talaga ako noon. Like, nag-window shopping talaga ako and some stuff. So, yeah, fast forward to today, apart sa, several things na hindi ko pa nasasabi. Hindi naman sa pinangarap ko, pero natupad ko na. So, ano bang daily life ko as a computer sales / technician. So, panoorin niyo tong video na ito.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief.
So, ito na guys. Already, wait, lang naman. Yes, talaga, guys. Ko talaga. Personal, actually, working with, it's early. Pero, it depends on situation. Like, ako lang talaga mas maaga. Mga co-workers ko, talaga. And I cannot do it. Yeah, so, yeah.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
So, ito guys, naalala niyo ba yung nakakita sa ating video ng kanina pa? Like, from work, pumunta lang sa Gilmore to, working sa Gilmore. Sobrang kasi over the years, pumunta lang ako sa Gilmore just for the, tingnan ko yung mga specs ng mga PC. Sometimes, bibili lang talaga ng PC kasi ako. And yes, you know what they say. I mean, I didn't think about working it kasi medyo talaga, pero yet here we are for some reason. So tingnan mo naman ang situation niya. Aso pa like 25 hindi pa naman yung ako. Siguro so sana yung medyo well, hindi pa na video like manpower ng usap doon tanghalian. So yeah, good thing may dala ako. So yan, mas ang ginagawa ko kapag wala ako din sabi ipipilas naman na namin paperwork or medyo
700
this time that's it. Medyo it's gonna be paperless.
300 FPS po.
Yeah, I love that job. Yeah. But guess what? Gagawin pa literally as in bowling physical na. Ipakita ko sa inyo kapag na-attempt na ito. So, ito pala naayos nyo. May troubleshoot. Jason sa 4. Damn. Big na PC. Actually, so, ayun na ano pa na siya, na buko na siya. It's literally not perfect. Ang kulang na lang is yung RAM, which is long story short. Pero yan, big sabihin like unless kung naputol yung RAM or something, well, mas malaking yan. Pero anyway, medyo ang problema na lang is yung isa sa memory. Presumably parang hindi siya magana, so siguro kailangan palitan lang ng ng compatible na RAM. So yun yeah. Naman ko ginawa ko lang dito. Well, actually gumamit lang ako ng Linux ISO. Probably MX Linux, not for installing. I mean, guys, merong tinatawag na live CD or live USB. Yes, pwede ka gumamit ng ng OS sa USB without doing any changes, unless kung nagpindot ka ng installer kasi that thing is gonna be bad. Pero kung gagawin mo lang yun as USB only, hindi mo na kailangan problemahin yun. Siguro baka nga kung in case na like tawagin na lang natin gagamit lang ng PC while not touching any files. Siguro mas magandang idea yun kasi para hindi at the same time yung mga browsing history, anything at saka at all nasa USB na imbis sa ibang user. Alam ko yung ibig sabihin. So habang wala para yes. So ayun. Right now medyo may testing pa ako. Unfortunately nagamit pa rin yung Kingston na Fury. While bang tools para mag-test ng RAM. Siguro probably something along the lines with mem test or something. Like ginagamit ko sa bit before ako very useful tool kung ang tatanungin mo. Siyempre kapag magte-testing ng RAM makikita naman yun. Unfortunately no, it's not unless kung literal so anyway, so far so good. It's 0 errors. May sa dalawa medyo may error lang talaga, but hey, at least may testing ko pa, so here we go. And I'm actually proud to say, well, despite na rigorous testing and some things like that, I mean, it works. Awan ko lang, except lang sa mga memories na like awan ko na lang kung bakit, pero isa lang talaga na gumagana yes. And I feel proud na na nadadiagnose ko lang siya. Good thing kung hindi naman dahil sa I mean, may mga iba lang talaga na technician na actually doing it. But yeah. It's not perfect. I mean, hopeless lang talaga. Pero at least, ayun na siya. Magagawa na lang. I don't know kung anong gagawin ko. Yeah. Looks like job well done. With except lang sa well, actually, memory okay na eh. Except lang sa sulat na ito. Ko lang yan either bukas or something. So, yeah! I feel proud of it despite na setbacks, pero masaya na ako. I mean, yun lang naman yun. And actually, that's the daily life of me as a computer sales / technician. Well, I'm gonna say it's not perfect. May lang talaga behind the scenes na medyo hindi ko na capture like freak. No, I mean hindi talaga. Wala akong pero hey, at least it's lang naman eh. Yeah. It's not perfect pero lang naman. At least nagawa lang talaga. So yeah, pag na yung movie so muna, a word from me. And yeah, that was the entirety of it. I mean, nakauwi na ako dun sa I used to like magte-trend sa mula Gilmore hanggang Antipolo, tapos magte-tricycle. Minsan mag-jeep talaga ako eh. So, yeah. That's actually the daily lives of it. I mean, naisip ko na na gagawin ko yung streaming, like working streams or something. Yeah, I mean, kung gusto niyo panoorin sa kumo yun. May schedule talaga ako kapag kapag gusto kong working stream. Ayun makikita niyo lahat kung paano ako magbubuo ng PC, or sometimes lang talaga. Kulitan lang talaga. Like, something na lang talaga gusto ko. So, yeah, and siguro seryosohan na ito kasi yeah, like siguro yung tipong parang at the time wala talaga ako, like I am actually nothing, I mean, saying like this is actually happy. I thought it was gonna say, oh, Carlo, I mean, kamusta na sa I mean, oo nga eh, if you look at it, parang wala akong pangarap sa buhay. Well, I mean, anything of those stuff. I mean, I'm sorry if I was gonna say bad about me, but it is what it is. Pero, akala ko nga na hindi ko deserve yung yung trabaho na yon, but someone is actually reviving the fuck out of it. And you know what? I'm happy with it na nagawa ko. Yes, it's true. Alam na ni ni Sir Leno na hindi naman ako perfectong like empleyado. It's not gonna be perfect. Sometimes it's gonna make mistakes, pero na yan, I'm gonna assure na hindi talaga mangyayari yun. Like talaga and syempre madami lang talagang natutunan coming from those guys kasi, well, I mean, you know what they say, it's not perfect, but I'm trying to do my best. And yeah, it actually shows. Siguro medyo yung pagiging lang talaga, okay, siguro naisip na lang like, okay, Carlo, I know na Windows centric yung Gilmore. Bakit mo pinagsama yung There's only one way to find out. And right now, medyo hindi pa na ano yun eh. Nangyayari yun because of ano eh. Microsoft's VS thingy. So, yeah. Sa ngayon pa lang eh, medyo stick to Windows ng talagang method, original. I mean, bawal yung mga pirata. I mean, alam nyo na yun kung bakit. May reasons yun. So, yeah. I mean, yun nga, kung paano kaya kung kung hindi ko ano yun I mean, actually, ganun pa rin, maghahanap din ako ng trabaho, maghahanap, alam ko na lang, medyo, I'm sorry if I was being nihilistic at this point, pero until na ano talaga, I'm actually like it. I know this is stupid to say, pero yeah, I actually like it na I mean, yun nga. I mean, look guys, siguro during na pag-publish nito, like siguro kung anong date yun, I'm already 25 years old. And yes, na-schedule ko to para sa and syempre papanoorin niya ni Yuki and witness what the fuck am I doing in my whole life. I mean, Yuki, alam mo na kung bakit, and yes, I'm watching you. So, yeah, baka magre-react talaga si Yuki and stuff, and yeah, to Yuki, okay lang umiyak. Syempre, I mean, yun na nga, since na 2021, I mean, it's just as an April Fool's joke. And alam ko na panoorin ko yung yung April Fool's joke na 2024 ba, Yuki the OC dog thingy was an a funny joke para lang sa para doon lang sa KP na doon sa kumay. I mean, it's actually funny, honestly. But, yeah, in all seriousness, Yuki, ituloy mo lang yan. Kasi, look, I mean, just like you, I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. I mean, I know nasa lore na isa kang babaero. We already know that. But, yeah, in all honestly, like, I created you para lang sa, it's just an alter ego of me, Yuki Inospin. So, yeah, I know na, iiyak ka, and that's actually valid. Yes, meron kang VTuber friends. Nandiyan naman si Kuya Sergey. Nandiyan naman si Lennox kapag minsan, alam kong busy ka, alam ni na busy ka talaga. Si Serena, yes. Yung I mean, you get the freaking idea. Alam mo na yon. So, yes, you already had not only that, I mean, honestly, meron akong coworkers na, yeah, it's obviously not perfect. I mean, ako, hindi naman ako I know, sometimes I'm a bit of a slack. Pero I'm just trying to do my freaking best. So, ang masasabi ko lang is do what you, do what your best. Like, do your best, ika nga. I mean, that's the word of it. And, yeah, don't worry about that, Yuki. I mean, everything is actually valid. And of course, yun nga, balik lang tayo dun sa na yun. Ewan ko na lang kung talaga kung mangyayari kapag hindi ako na-hire or something. Yun nga, nasabi ko na, like, gahanap pa rin ako ng trabaho, gahanap, like, tumatanda na yung mga magulang ko, tapos, ewan ko na lang pero yung pagsasabi na medyo, tatanda akong single, actually, totoo yun, like, why the heck not, kasi, gano'n naman talaga totoo naman na magiging single na ako for the rest of the freaking life. So, yan nga. Kaya ginagawa ko lang yung ano, yung best ko. Nagtatrabaho na ako. Tapos ano, binabudgeted ko pa yung sarili ko. Yes, may mga expenses din na hindi naman importante, just like kagaya yung PC, yung monitor, yung mga tools, yung anything. If luwag na, siguro yun nga, kailangan ko tumulong sa ano. I know you're gonna say, but Carlo, I mean, sobrang ano naman yun, like it's cancer inducing. I mean, alam mo na ibig ko sabihin, but yes, it depends on the situation. If pinipilit mong may gawing, ano bang word yun? Putik. Like parang ATM or something, like, I feel freaking disappointed. Like, no, kapag ganyan mangyayari, titigil ko na yung trabaho, full stop. Pero, well, I wish na medyo, nga talaga, kasi, I'm just trying to get out of this freaking NEET BS na, like, alam nyo na yung kung bakit. I mean, ilang beses wala akong trabaho, hindi na nakapagpasok sa eskwelahan because of bullying and some BS like that. Tapos I mean this is why my life is screw up until someone motivates me to do. Yes, nagsasabi ako ng totoo, like nga talaga. And you know what? Gonna stick to my guns and just do it. Like, I'm not that kind of person na parang talaga gusto ko ng it's worthless pero me, as long as you manage to save me from this trouble, then I feel grateful na I mean, I'm not gonna do any of those shits if you manage to save me from this NEET BS. And instead, I feel grateful na talaga, magiging masaya lang talaga ako. And that's about what I'm expect from myself na I thought na hindi ako nakakapagtanggap sa trabaho because yun sa kulang na requirements. While actually I feel happy na that's not the case. Yes, oo, so sa mga bata lang dyan, like iniisip na kailangan ko na ng diskarte para like, dude, like, bruh, kailangan nyo rin mag-aral na mabuti because this is not freaking worth it na like, kung ako yung tatanungin ng isang mayaman na sabihin kung diploma o diskarte, porque no los dos? At how about both? I mean, pwede naman ipag-both lang talaga kasi hindi naman pwedeng sabihin, diskarte lang, sapat na. Ogag ka ba? I mean, you're just trying to set yourself in a freaking failure. And that's not good in the long run. Kung ako sa'yo, siguro both na lang, diskarte at saka diploma. I mean, wag nyo lang akong gayahin na nag-stop lang talaga sa pag-aaral. Tapos nangyari? I mean, wala. I'm not saying na I mean, sometimes school sucks, it's true. Pero you just need to, mag-aral na mabuti. And that's what it is. I know it's actually preaching to the freaking choir. Para kung isang boomer, but mind you, I'm already 25 years old and yun? It literally shows. Pero despite all of that, I'm still grateful na nasalba ako sa ganong kabullshitan, and I feel happy na talaga. Amen ko. Masasabi ko lang is thank you kay kay Sir Lennon, thank you kay Ate Raquel, thank you kay Adela, si Kuya Jello, Sir Delo, lahat ng mga team sa BitLink. Pati, I mean, I actually meet mga kaibigan doon sa Gilmore. So, yeah, hindi naman hindi naman dahil sa talaga. Sometimes talaga ako busy lang naman ako sa trabaho and it's true. I mean, sometimes hindi ko naman gawin na magiging sa. Sometimes I update something like that. So, alam mo nga, bakit. And yeah, I mean, yun nga, doon sa part ni Yuki, thank you sa mga nag-collab, and I feel happy na si Yuki binigyan ng chance na kikipag-collab sa birthday collab. And of course, actually apart kay Yuki na, which is birthday niya ngayon, which is May 20, birthday ko rin, like alam mo na ako sabi yan birthday mo, birthday na namin. Okay, so yeah, thank you talaga. So thank you, and yun nga, masaya na talaga ako, and of course masaya din si Yuki na and all of that. I mean, that's it para lang sa vlog na ito. Don't worry, this is not gonna be balay na lang, meron pa naman I mean, you think na this is all about meron pa yan. Yes, meron yan. Malay na lang natin kung if it's either gonna be BitLink, o minsan pupunta ako sa convention, or anything na let me know in the comments below. Pero it is gonna be special. Siguro baka yun nga despite na all of those like sometimes alam niyo na, if you know, you know. Tapos all of those stuff. So yun lang, that's it for now, and kita tayo sa next video, next vlog, or anything. So bye bye, and see you next time.